Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Apex Legends on laptop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.ea.com/games/Apex-Legends and press enter. Doing so will take you to this main official webpage of Apex Legends. To download the application on your laptop or your Windows, mouse over to the download button at the top right. You'll be able to see the download links for various devices out there. Simply go ahead and click for the EA app for Windows. You can also download Steam application on your PC and get the Apex Legends application on your Windows or laptop. In my case, since I'm using Windows, let me click on the first option. Click on the Play for Free button on the right hand side of the screen and first install the EA app on your laptop. If you don't have the EA app, click on this link that says the EA app for Windows under download and install. Click the download button to download Electronic Arts on your laptop and follow through the prompt. You'll be able to see the application installer downloading at the top. Once it is completed, click on Open File and complete the app setup process. Click on the Let's Go button in order to download Electronic Arts on your PC. Now, you'll need to restart your PC to finish your installation. Click on the Yes button to restart your PC now, and once you are done, open up the EA application. Now, sign into your EA account or create a new account for EA. Now, once you're logged into your Electronic Arts account, in the search game text box, type in Apex Legends. Press enter on your keyboard. In order to find the game, click on the game and then click on the download button in order to download the game right on your laptop. Now wait until the game gets downloaded. Now click on the next button and click the download button to get the app downloaded right on your PC. Once the game has been downloaded, you can play unlimited games from your laptop, quick and easy. That is how you can easily download Apex Legends on your laptop or desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.